Hello guys, happy new week. Welcome to a brand new week. This week is full of good potentials. We are going to be looking at the GBPUSD specifically and see what price has for us this week. So let's hop into the chart. Alright. So guys, we'll be looking at the GBPUSD. Over here is the symbol. Now let's look at from the monthly time frame. On our monthly time frame, we observe that the GU is on an uptrend market. Alright, so after the uptrend market, what we are going to look at is the candlestick formation. We observe that in the month of July, the July candlestick decided to do what? Engulf the June candlestick. So we are expecting a bearish movement to the downside. After observing the bearish movement to the downside, what we are going to do is to measure the bearish candle, the bearish engulfing candle, and we notice that price has actually reacted on the 50%, right? So this is at 50%. That's for the monthly outlook. Let's look at the weekly chart. We have seen that price has been rejecting on the weekly time frame. Okay, now let's go to our daily chart. Now in this our daily chart, what have we observed? We have observed that price has been rejecting the 50% of the monthly time frame. So we are expecting a bearish momentum downward to this particular support level that we have already marked in our monthly time frame, right? So this is our daily outlook. So for today, we'll be looking at taking a short on the GBPUSD, right? So moving down to our 4-hour candle, we want to look at candlestick formation. Over here, we observe that we have seen an M pattern. One of the price action thing entails that we want to see an M pattern like this. This is what we call break and retest. Now over here, this is what we call the neckline. The neckline. Okay. So the neckline means that when once price has broken the neckline, it has a way of always coming back to retest that particular level. So we have seen price coming back to retest that particular neckline. That is our confirmation entry that we are going to take a shot on the GBPUSD. And as you can see, we are already inside the market. Now the strategy that we used in entering this market was that we observed the neckline and we understood that when once price breaks this particular neckline, it will always have a way of doing what? Bouncing back. That is break and retest. So that's why we are already inside the trade and expecting the trade to do what? Sell down to this other particular region. So for today, we'll be looking at 1:5 in the GBPUSD market. So I believe that this brief explanation has given you an edge that we are still going on a sales on the GBPUSD. So guys, that's the market outlook on the GBPUSD. Which way will you be looking at this week? Drop it on the comments. Thank you.